Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode in this JavaScript series. Today we're going to talk about variables. So variables are a kind of storage. You can put words or numbers inside them. So today we're going to be doing it in JavaScript. But before we get started, we need to delete everything inside script. So delete that, and then we're going to write var which is short for variable. So write var a equals 10. What we did here is we put 10 inside the letter A. Now we want to output it in the console. So we'll do console.log A. We're not going to put quotation marks. This is really important. You do not need to put quotation marks, because if you do, it'll just say A in the console. What we want it to say is 10. So it brings the 10 out from A. It outputs 10 from A. So when we save it, open it with Live Server, and then you're going to inspect, go to console, 10. In the terminal, it should say 10, and that's what my terminal says. Okay. You can also do let. We're basically going to say let A equal 10. And then we're going to output in the console A. And when we save it, it says 10. Just in case it didn't refresh perfectly, we're going to inspect it again and go to the console, and it says 10. So that means it worked. Now, in addition to this video, I am going to be teaching you math concepts in JavaScript. So math concepts is really easy in JavaScript. You can just do console.log 10 plus 10. Now when we run it, 20. We can do 10 divided by 10, 1. And then 10 times 10. It doesn't have to be 10. It can be any number. Yeah, and it works. We can also do minus. We can do any math concept, any type of math concept. Okay. And it's 0. We can also do variables and math concepts at the same time. So we can do var A equals 10. Var B equals 20. Here I put 2 variables. I can put as many variables as I want in any kind of project, but you just need to name it differently, because if you name it the same, it could get very, very, very confusing. So don't do that. Now here we can say A, B, I mean, and then A. So here we just put A minus B, should give us 10, negative 10. So, yeah. Now I can do 20 minus 20. Again, it should give us 0. It can go super, 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 super big. Yeah, it can be any number. We can also do multiplication with A. We can do any math concepts the same way we do with real numbers. We can do it with variables. So yeah. We can also do strings. What strings are words. They're like quotation marks, word. And then when we console.log it, the same thing will happen. That happens to a number. It will output word. So we're going to do console.log B. Now when we save it, it says word. So that is how you do variables in JavaScript. So you can also do JavaScript without an HTML file. So you can make a index.html or name it or like something.html. I mean .js. It can be anything. I just put it index.js. We do console.log hello. You're gonna go to the terminal and write node index.js or that file name JS, and then it should output it for you. And that is the end of this video. I hope I see you in the next video.